So let me teach you the word of today. So internationally, when you fry meat on an open flame, they call it a barbecue. Where I'm from in South Africa, we call it a braai. Ons gaan nou braai. Say it with me, ons gaan nou braai. If you understood what I said, spam me in the comments down below, ons gaan nou braai. Anyway, let me give you a quick update on the process of our mobile barbecue braai stand. We already received the steel frame from our powder coating company, and almost all our wood has been stained and oiled with Rubio monocoat. Just to give you a quick layout on the bar I've got in mind. This side, you will have your two drawers coming out. You'll have your cutting board, your knives and forks. Down at the bottom, you'll have two doors where you can store your pots and your pans, your saucepans and so forth. In the middle, you'll have your gas braaier / pizza oven / rotisserie if you want to make a chicken or lamb or whatever the case may be. In the center at the bottom will just be an open space. On the left hand side, your right hand side of the bar, you'll have your gas bottle connected to your gas braai, and on the far left you'll have two shelves just for some additional storage. But without any further delay, let's continue cladding this bad boy. Let me show you the custom braai stand we built for one of our clients. Come, let me show you. So this mobile braai unit we custom designed for one of our clients. It's built to specific specifications to suit the client's need. And let's talk quickly about the unit itself. The steel work is sent in for powder coating because it might be exposed to the outside elements. The specific wood species we went with is called okumi. It's a solid wood and it's also a very good wood for outside furniture. The wood has been treated with a pre-aging Rubio monocoat authentic color number 2. On top of that, we treated the wood with a Rubio monocoat hybrid wood protector. That's the perfect oil if you're going to use furniture on the outside that's going to be exposed to the outside elements. For the top, we went with a 20mm granite. It's very durable and long term, it's the best investment rather to go with a wooden top. Now, on both sides, we have drop-in ice buckets, which is obviously used for drinks over the weekend or whatever the case may be. Or what you can do is you take out your custom craft house chopping board and you can chop all your vegetables, your meat or whatever the case may be, and you can use the drop-in ice bucket as a dustbin. So let's talk about the center of attention. We get to our Alpha 4 gas burner braai unit. We chose this unit for a specific reason because it's got multiple functions. Not only can you fry your meat, but you can actually use this as a rotisserie if you want to make a lamb over the weekend, or you can use this as a pizza oven if you want to make some pizzas. And you can also use this for breakfast if you want to make breakfast in the morning for your family. This is the perfect unit for an outside gas braai stand. So the gas braai is already connected to the gas bottle on the inside, which can be removed easily. And on the other side, you have some pizza goodies, which you can use making your pizza. And there's a lot of other spaces for some other goodies you want to add. At the bottom of our unit, you have your Braai grid, which I specifically chose this make for a reason, because you can fold it up and you can pop it in your dishwasher. On the other side, we have two drawers, which you see hasn't got any handles, because this is a push open drawer, which is super fancy and super luxurious. So on the inside, you have your Braai gloves, you have your special chef mess, you have your pizza cutter and your wine and bottle opener. On the bottom shelf, you have some extra Braai goodies, your Braai tongs, you have your pizza roller with a spatula and a fork. At the bottom, you have your famous Braai buck, you have your rotisserie at the back, and you have a curry bootjie if you want to make curry. So we specifically designed this unit for our custom with specific specification. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. Let me know in the comments down below. Until the next project. Cheers.